Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I did a video recently talking about my process, and I am getting started on this Hyundai, I think it's an Elantra, Sonata, one of those. It's a sedan, but my process, we're starting on the interior first. I've got to do an ozone treatment. You can kind of see if I come in here, hopefully you can see, we've got a lot of stains on these seats. Cup holders are really dirty. Apparently the previous owner was living in the vehicle for a few months and it shows. You can see they smoked in it. We've got a lot of built up dirt in our door jambs, ash, soot, things like that. We've got a lot of kind of grease. Hopefully you guys can see this all right. I look like an idiot with this on my head. There's some construction people across the street and they're like, what the heck? But I wanted to kind of show you guys up close. Hopefully this is coming in on camera and you can see, maybe it's just showing the dirt, but hopefully it's showing this. But you can just see there's a lot of built-in dirt right here. And I could spend a lot of time with, you know, a wash sponge or whatever, potentially scratch. I know a lot of people, I've done a lot of videos on door jambs, and for some reason, people love to attack me if I potentially scratch a door jamb. So I was like, you know what, we're just gonna touchless clean them. So you can see we've got a lot of like heavy built-up dirt right here. I have Dark Fury, previously Rage from Superior Products. This is mixed 4-to-1. I'm not even gonna hose it down yet. We're just gonna let all of this, you can see the cleaner's already going to town on that stuff. I'm actually gonna get it on the little plastic right there. We're just gonna come in here. I got it controlled so it's not going on the interior. We're also gonna come in here. You can use a foam, like sprayer, like an IK foamer if you want. I just find a spray bottle is perfect. You don't have to let this stuff sit. You don't have to agitate it. You have your tip. You want to make sure you're being very precise. If you have to start from the outside and go in, we're going to turn that actually. Here, come in here. You can see. All of that dirt is now gone. We're gonna get this plastic part here. How much overspray? Less than what would happen if you opened your door in the rain. You can see there's plastic here, it's okay. I'm gonna be doing the interior, so if there's a little bit of water, it's not gonna damage it. I didn't get the rage. Here, we're gonna come in here. All right, you can see we did get a couple drops of water, but I'm shampooing these seats. I'm not gonna freak out about it. I'm not even gonna come back behind and mop this up because in the next few minutes or so, I'm gonna be vacuuming, I'm gonna be scrubbing everything, but you can see we got all of that dirt that was in these tight spaces blown out. Our plastics were degreased and cleaned. We got all that nasty stuff. If there's any sort of film left behind, then what I'm gonna do is when I get to that step, or even after I wash the vehicle, after I dry the vehicle and I open my doors or my wings to kind of air it out, then you can take something like this. This is McKee's 37, their waterless wash on the go. This has a wash and wax in it. You can use something like this, a microfiber, spray it on, wipe it down. You're safely encapsulating and you're putting a layer of polymer protection down to, you know, help make maintenance easier, enhance gloss. And I've safely been able to do my door jambs without touching. I can go through these in about, what, 1-2 minutes, get my door jambs done out of the way, move into the interior. If you're starting on the exterior, I would do your door jambs first as well, because if I'm getting everything nice and clean and then I go to the inside and I do door jambs, you can see how much splatter we got from doing door jambs. I mean, maybe you're fine-tuning and detailed, and maybe you're just taking a microfiber and wiping them down, but you're gonna miss all these tight spaces here. You're gonna miss all these nooks and crannies. Pressure washer blows all that out. And then when you also have all of the dirt here, you can see I didn't get this bottom part, watch. Hopefully this shows up. Now I've got these drains here are unclogged, degreased, cleaned. This is one of the #1 areas that rust develops on a vehicle right here. And so you want to make sure that you are blasting that clean. Microfiber alone isn't going to get all that stuff that's in here. So now we've blasted all that out, cleaned them out, and we have preserved the metal, the paint, we've cleaned, we've done a scratch-free cleaning. Now I can follow up with my waterless wash on the go. So this is how I do touchless door jambs effectively, quickly. It was funny, my dad came over one day and was washing me and he's like, where did you learn that? And I was like, I thought everyone knew how to do this. I thought everyone does door jambs, but apparently not. So hopefully this helps any of you. Again, yes, you are gonna get a little overspray. It does take a little bit of practice just to make sure you've got your angle down. Make sure you know which angle your sprayer is gonna go. But you can get your door jambs quickly, safely, and effectively with just a powerful degreaser. Superior Products Dark Fury. Will any other degreaser work? Possibly, but I have found this is one of the most effective degreasers for being able to go after grime and dirt quickly. You don't want to let it sit too long on the paint. So if you do get any sort of overspray on your paint, just rinse it off. You don't want that stuff to dry on there, especially in the sun. But we're going to keep moving on this interior. I hope this helps some of you. I would just repeat this process for all of my other door jambs. Obviously close that door, then do that door jamb, keep moving. For your back lids here, again, expect a little bit of water, but you can take, here, let's just do it. We're gonna spray this. That bug did not stand a chance. This is the messiest type of vehicle to do these on. All right, we're gonna close our doors because I'm gonna be spraying in this direction. I don't want any sort of water going too hard on the door panels. Forgive me, this is a impulse video. Hopefully I'm not making you sick. So if I were to do these back doors, come in here, start in the middle, work your way out. Be prepared, you may get a little wet. Water's not gonna kill you. All right, so now I've blasted that free. You can see, do we have puddles? No, maybe a little bit of overspray, mist. I still have to vacuum, I still have to shampoo. Anything that's along the plastics, nothing is gonna damage it. So if you're doing a deep cleaning on a vehicle and you wanna do your door jambs, this is a fantastic way to do them quickly and easily. I mean, look at that. These are some of the worst door jambs I have seen in a while. The Rage just kind of lifts it right off. It's about a pH of 14, so it's a strong alkaline. Come in here, doesn't take long to work. Come in here. All right, again, let's see. A little bit of puddling, nothing major. A little bit of splashing, nothing that's gonna damage. If you have mint condition vehicles, I mean, easily, just take your microfiber, mop it up. But we're gonna be cleaning these. So, 9-day transformation, minimal effort. There you have it. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you subscribe. This is gonna be a fantastic one. I have a lot of work ahead of me, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.